And what advice would you give to editors or journals looking to responsibly incorporate AI into the peer review workflows? So I would like to highlight in the 3 main areas. Be vigilant about risk. So AI can generate misinformation, the false or inaccurate output due to the errors in the training data, limited knowledge, etc. Disinformation, deliberately misleading the content, like hallucinations, because large language model generate a response based on the patterns, but not facts. And another is bias is another concern. The training data and the algorithm can unintentionally reinforce existing inequities. So another one is protect copyright and confidentiality. So editors and reviewers must consider whether the institution policy allow the use of the unpublished manuscript in generative AI tools or product. So uploading the confidential work without safeguard could violate the trust and the privacy. The third one is about the judge the research, not the tool. A paper should be accepted or rejected based on the methodology, soundness, novelty, originality, etc., but not simply whether AI was involved. So this is a misconception. So the key is transparency. The real risk isn't disclosure. It is hiding. Lack of the transparent trust, while the disclosure builds it. So that's why the clear guideline and the training are essential. So the author, not only the reviewer, editor, but author, they feel supported and confident in use AI responsibly. For example, Wiley has surveyed more than 5,000 researchers, reviewers, and about 70% of the participants are looking to the publisher to get them on the safe and responsible use of AI. So in short, the success of AI adoption in peer review depends on build the trust, collaboration, and the governance. All this underpinned by transparency and open communication.